The BMW iX is a powerful, beautiful electric crossover with a Rolls-Royce-like cabin. Now, BMW has introduced its first electric M-badged crossover. It's a 2023 BMW iX M60. When sport mode and launch control are engaged, the BMW iX M60 uses two electric motors and a 111.5 kWh battery to produce 610 horsepower, 449 kilowatts, and 811 pound-feet, 1,100 Newton-meters, in short bursts. Normal steering mode reduces this EV crossover's power to 532 horsepower, 391 kilowatts, and 749 lb-ft, 1015 nanometers. 16 horsepower and 185 lb-ft more than the xDrive 50 basic trim in the US, or 94 horsepower and 247 lb-ft in sport mode with launch control enabled. The iX M60 can reach 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour, in 3.6 seconds and 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour. The 9M60 standard adaptive air suspension and electronically controlled shock absorbers improve handling. The BMW iX M60's EPA-estimated range with 21-inch wheels is 280 miles, 450 kilometers. It's less than the base model xDrive 50's 300-mile estimate. The 9M60 takes 36 minutes to charge to 80% on a DC fast charging station at 250 kilowatts. 22-inch aerodynamic wheels in titanium bronze are optional, although 21 inches are standard. Alpine white, dark graphite, Photonic blue, Blue Ridge Mountain, Storm Bay, Oxide Gray, and Aventurin Red are exterior color options. Standard safety features include adaptive cruise control, automatic high beam assist, a 360-degree parking camera, and Parking Assistant Plus, which parks the car for you. The BMW 9M60 2023 will start at $106,095 plus $995 in costs. The base xDrive 50 model costs $84,195, $995 with destination, in the US.